Okay, so it's Saturday. I'm still not feeling 100%, and it's supposed to storm today, so I'm staying in the city instead of going home, which I'm a little upset about because I really wanted to see my cat. And Chessa just got a haircut, so she'll be looking really cute. I'm missing that. I'm pretty upset about it, but it's supposed to be blizzarding soon, and so I'm here. I'm gonna head out, buy some more soup because I'm out. Yeah. Believe it or not, the wind has died down. Look at all this snow coming down. Look at all of it. It's just supposed to get worse as the day progresses. So this is fun. Temperature's actually gone down a little bit since the last time. And distance is a little bit less, and it's coming down. Literally took 2 steps outside. 2 steps. That's gonna be it for the vlog today. Remember to get your submissions in for my 100th vlog. I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. Business email is down in the links, and also right here for those of you on console. You can click up here to subscribe. And as always, my social media details are in the links below. Give them a look. There's something for everybody down there. I mean, really, there's something for everybody down there. Trust me. I run them. And you guys just have yourselves a fantastic day or night, whatever it is for you.